Step 1, this. Step 2, twist your body and hand here, then move your body like this and punch. Guys, now I'll show you this taking fast motion. Yeah. And grab, one jump, two, like this, and keep on the back and turn like this. Guys, now I'll show you this taking fast motion. Yeah. Drop. Step 1, this. Step number 2, back. 3, push down. And punch. Yes, step 1, lose your balance and take side position. Now keep your leg back on his feet and turn down and punch. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion, how it works or not. Yes.
If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.